Do you ever love those rainy days that never go away? And every single time it's always the same. Oh, the pitter-patter of the rain, the rumble of the thunder. Do you ever wonder, will it get better someday? Then you look up to the sky and there's a rainbow shining bright, and the flowers bask in the sunlight. I love those rainy days that never go away, the pitter-patter of the drops. Don't you ever just stop and dance in the rain. You know, people are like the weather, you can't control them at all. When the weather's bad, I'll dance in the rainfall. Oh, I love those rainy days that never go away. The rumble of the thunder makes me wonder. So many things, and as it rains, I'll sit here and sing this song. Hope you'll sing along.